So hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my quick meals using the air fryer. Today I'm making french fries with fish fingers. If you don't have the I bought the french fries ready, frozen from the supermarket. But if you don't have some, you can just prepare it by yourself. Just boil the potatoes with your own favorite spices and salt. But make sure not to overcook it. The middle should still be hard, so when you put a fork it should not go through, and then cut them into your preferred sizes and bake it in the air fryer in the end, that you have them crunchy like french fries. So to start, I'm just going to insert the food into the air fryer. I will make it closer and hope that you see what I'm doing. And then I just have to insert the power socket in the socket, so the cable in the socket. That's it, and it will start. And then I will have to press the power button. I want the fish program, and we have 6 programs in total here on top. First one is french fries, then chicken, and then fish, the one looking like a snake, and then steak, burger, and then vegetables is the last one. So each program is different. It takes it's exactly the amount of temperature and time you need for baking, whatever is indicated. So now I want to bake fish, so I will use this menu program to go around until I get to the fish. The fish is the third one, so I have what I need is 12 minutes. I will bake 2 times. I will bake one side until it's done on the first program, and then I will restart the program after turning the fish. When you want to change the temperature, you just have to press here, and this should be blinking, and then you can use the plus or the minus sign. The same is for the temperature. So you press until you have the temperature blinking, then you plus or subtract it. So I have what I need, and I will just press the power button again to start, and then it will start. In between you can pull it out and pull it back, push it back. It will continue from where it left. So the first program is done. I didn't add any oil because the potatoes, the french fries were already preserved in oil, so I don't need too much oil. I just salted it and added a few spices. I like my french fries having a bit different taste, a bit curry and pepper. And when it's done, it will just switch itself off. So like I said, I will rerun the same program second time. The first 12 minutes is over. I will mix it a bit and then return the fish on top. So I'm just tossing it around. That's what I'm doing. You see, and then I just put the fish back on top. The fish is turned around. Maybe don't be too lazy like me and put the fish aside first before tossing the potatoes, the french fries around. But it's still okay. So this is the other side now. I turned it. Then we'll just return it inside. Restart the process like we did before. The power button until it's giving us the menu. Then we go till that option to the fish, and then the power button again and start. So guys, our food is done. That's how it looks like. Ooh, crunchy. I'm done. So hope you try this and like it. So compared to an oven, this is faster and saves energy. It's portable. You can put it anywhere in your house, and it saves space. Even for those who travel and go camping, you can take it with you. Like we went camping once to a place in Rosenheim, and there they also have a electric socket where you can cook your food by yourself at your camping place. And another thing, so the downside of this is that you cannot cook a lot of food at once. So if you have a big family, it might be a challenge. But if you have enough time, you can just cook in rounds many times until it's enough food. So I can highly recommend it. We use it often for our kids. It's also healthier compared to deep frying your food. But but like oven is also healthy, but in terms of space and energy, it's good. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one, and subscribe and like. Bye bye.